guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Motivational Monday. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. Once again, you guys, we are so close to 50,000 subscribers. Oh my goodness, I can't thank you guys enough for watching my content, enjoying my content, and just being here. I love you guys so much. This week for Motivational Monday, I'm telling you guys to start doing your own. I am going to show you guys how I achieved doing my own gel nails. Yes, I did my own nails. I got tired of going to the salon. I know that going to the nail salon, you're supposed to be like, ooh, I want to get pampered and I want somebody to do my feet and my nails and blah, blah, blah. Honestly, I have the worst luck. I've gone to every single nail salon that is supposed to be the best. I've gone to the fancy ones in Beverly Hills and paid hundreds of dollars to get my nails and my feet done, and then all for the nails to chip. After all of my crazy journeys of trying to find the perfect nail salon, I decided, you know what, I'm gonna go to YouTube and I'm gonna learn how to do my own nails. So then I started doing my own manicures, my own pedicures, and then I finally decided to venture out and do my own gels. And I did not realize how easy it was to do your own gels. You just have to buy the lamp. So for this week's Motivational Monday, I challenge you to do your own. It's that simple. Do your own. Save extra money. Use that money to go buy something else or invest in yourself or invest in whatever it is that you're trying to do with your life and your career. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So here is my lamp. It's super simple, it's super cute. It does come with the adapter obviously, but I'm just showing you guys what it looks like and showing you how portable it is. When I travel, I can literally take this with me. I got the SUNUV Focus on UV LED application Sun 2C gel lamp. This is like a soft little place for me to rest my hand or my foot while I'm doing the other nail. On the back, it shows you the different times. So you have 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 90 seconds, which actually starts on a low heat mode, which is awesome. I got this one on Amazon for $39.99. I'm pretty sure that was the price. Everything will be in the description box. And here is the box that it came in. It's pretty simple. It also came with a couple more of these little hand and foot pads. I got white and I got gray. I did a lot of research, you guys, on YouTube before I made my final purchase. There's a couple other lamps that I really wanted as well, but I just decided to go with this one because it was simple, cute, and got the job done. Then I remembered the specific polishes that my salon workers did for me on my nails, which was Gelish, so I actually used that. So I ended up getting the Gelish kit, which came with the pH bond, the foundation, and the top coat. 3-in-1, $28 on Amazon, easy breezy. Then I just love glitter, so I decided to go ahead and try glitter. So I got 2 glitters from Sally's. They were cute and they were fun, but I really wanted something more to pop. Y'all, NYX came through. I just simply got a loose glitter that I really liked from NYX Cosmetics, and I put it on my nails. I started out with the pH bond, then I went in with the foundation, then I just put some loose glitter and then top coated it, threw my fingers in the lamp, and bam, gel nails. I cannot believe literally how much money I'm saving now doing my own gels. Like, I could go to the salon and get my nails done if I want to. Don't get it twisted. I could go if I wanted to get my nails done, but why? Why not just spend time at home, watch TV, do my own nails, and learn something new, right? Like, hello. So that's it for this week's Motivational Monday video. I really, truly challenge you to do something you love. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you plan to try to do this week, something that you've never done before but you've always wanted to try. So if you'd like to see how I did my lovely gel nails, keep on watching.